Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking quickly at this screwdriver. It's a precision screwdriver from a company called Vessel. This is from Japan. It's a Japanese brand and they make some really nice screwdriver sets and such like that. So I went ahead and purchased this one. Was $15. It's just a cool design that has a ball on top, a ball head, and some attachments. So this was from Amazon, by the way. Let's see. This is what it has in the back. So basically you have Phillips 1, 2, and 3, and you have the other type of Phillips that has a, what is that? It looks like 4 additional sides in the middle, number 2 and number 3, and you've got flathead number 6. All right, so let's go ahead and open the package. Oh, it has a sticker here. Okay, let's put this here on the side. Okay, so there is the name and the model number, 220W. Really nice rubbery grip, and it inserts really nice, and there is no wiggle or anything like that, so it's really sturdy in place. All right, so this is the number 1 of the Phillips head. Oh, here, the Phillips head that and this is number 3 of the Phillips head. And really no wiggle at all. No wiggle at all. Okay, and they are magnetic, by the way. So, and this is the flat number 6. Flat number 6 right here. And this is, okay, this has a little bit play. Yeah, this has a little bit of play. You can hear it. But not on this side. Oh, but this side too. Now let's try this one. No play. Oh yeah, there is play. Okay, and this is the Phillips but with little diamond shape in there. I'm not sure what type is that, but it's included. Well, I said earlier it's a precision screwdriver, but it's not. These are not precision heads. It's not precision screwdriver. Scratch that. This is just a standard little tiny screwdriver, not really precision. These are too big to be precision drivers. All right, so that is it. A really quick video. It would be nice if it had a holder of some sort, but it doesn't. So you'll just have to put them in a little teeny case, maybe one of these Bosch cases they sell separately. You can put it in there, but it looks really nice. You can, you know, put it in a bag and keep it in the car for some things that you may need to use when you are out. It's $15. It was sold by another company, not Vessel, on Amazon, so I'm not sure if this is authentic or not, because they can make fake ones that look exactly the same as the original. So it could be a fake one made, you know, some third party and just put the Vessel name on it. The one sold by Vessel on Amazon was $20 instead of 15 or 14. So I went with this one. But if you want to be sure, you probably need to pay the additional few dollars to get it directly from Vessel. So I'm not sure. Anyway, yeah, so this is it. Just a quick video on this screwdriver. Just a standard screwdriver, 6-in-1. All right, well, thank you so much and have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.